Eavesdrop. To secretly listen to someone's conversation. Example: Tom was eavesdropping on his sister's phone call. Barefoot. Without shoes or socks. Example: she loves walking barefoot on the beach. Bask. To enjoy warmth or happiness. Example: the cat basked in the sunlight near the window. Wander. To walk around with no clear destination. Example: he wandered through the forest, enjoying the fresh air. Insert. To put something inside something else. Example: she inserted the key into the lock. Alms. Money, food, or goods given to the poor. Example: the man gave alms to the homeless person. Embrace. To hug or accept something fully. Example: they embraced each other after a long time apart. Flee. To run away quickly. Example: the thief fled when he saw the police coming. Scalper. A person who resells tickets at a high price. Example: scalpers sell concert tickets for double the original price. Contemplate. To think deeply about something. Example: she contemplated moving to another city for work. Vow. A serious promise. Example: they exchanged wedding vows at the ceremony. Occur. To happen. Example: an earthquake occurred last night.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.